and welcome to the February update from the Tau team. Welcome back. You're here with me, Fola. And without further ado, let's get into the business team update. So I'll pass it over to Karolina to kick it off for the month.
Thank you, Fola, and hello, everyone. So this month, we have finally finished the website update. This has been a huge task, and it involved pretty much the whole team. So I'm very happy to say that it's now finished. You'll be seeing a new logo on the website, and we will be working further on branding with our designers. So the logo might be tweaked a little bit, but we'll also have the full brand book pretty soon. What we want to do is we want to inject as much of company culture as we can into the branding. So that's also something that we'll be workshopping in the near future. Aside from the finally finished website, we also have some PR ideas in the works that we will be pursuing next month. And those include a press release coming out about Tau partnering with NVIDIA. This partnership is going to give us access to their technology and experts, as well as some opportunities to connect with their VCs, do marketing to improve Tau's visibility. So that's some great news that are going to come out with Tau's name next month, probably. So yeah, that's my update, and that's the vision for the next month.
All right, fantastic. Thank you so much, Karolina. And I'll pass it over to Igor for his update for the month.
Thank you, Fola, and hello, everyone. And as you can probably see, the website is finally done, as Karolina said, and we will be working a little bit more on the website as well. There are a couple of stuff that needs to be fixed, but for now, I'm very pleased to say that it's finally done, and I can see that some of the Telegram members are already satisfied, and they also like the content that we created. So for the whole February, I was focused on that. We had to change some content. We had to develop a couple of imagery here and there, infographics as well, and also we implemented a couple of videos that you can see in the background of the homepage, Tau page, and essentially that's about it when it comes to the web design. As for the other parts that I did, I created a couple of images that we're using for the socials that I was working with Kilian and Felix, and that's basically it for me for February.
All right, fantastic. Thanks so much, Igor. And I'll pass it over to Kilian for his update this month.
Yes, thanks, Fola, and hi, everybody. This month, there was lots of hype in the AI blockchain space, which also got us lots of attention, at least compared to the previous month. So to leverage that hype, we also were doing outreach to AI blockchain blog post authors. We got featured in one such article, and we got a couple of more offers, but the price they were asking to be included in these articles were too expensive for what they are worth. So we haven't pushed through with those, but we're still on the hunt for getting some more publicity of being covered in some good articles. Then I've also contributed with some website feedback here and there. Beyond that, also I've continued gathering VC contact details. So now that the new website is launched, we can go full force on the outreach to VCs and hopefully close the round as soon as possible. Yeah, I've also created a social media task plan. We basically have lots of different social platforms where we are active, and yeah, each platform needs some dedication, and some individual tasks for each platform are there. And now we have a really good overview of what has to be done. Yeah, and we also ideally are looking for a dedicated social media manager. So if you think you could be this could be something for you, definitely talk to us. And yeah, we also put more effort into our presence on CoinMarketCap in terms of our social profile there. We got the verified badge for our account, and we've also been posting some things there. You also find an article that we published there under the Agoras page, actually. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And the community member of the month, once again, is Andrew, for his continued publication of great videos around Tau and Agoras. And yeah, that's it from me. Thanks.
All right, fantastic. Thank you so much, Kilian. And as the rest of the business team have said, Yes, we have launched a website. Yes, it's looking very, very good. Yes, it's going to get even better as time goes on. From my side, I've been working on the website quite a lot in terms of the copy and working on the logo with Karolina and Kilian and Igor. And going forward, it's going to be a lot of hard effort on the VC outreach, making sure that we close this funding round as soon as possible, which will allow us to scale up our marketing efforts. But we're also going to be already working on the marketing and PR efforts, as Karolina said. So going forward, this website's going to give us a lot more bandwidth to be able to do all the things that we wanted to do. So we're going to be working on the articles that are going to be coming out, various publications, and press releases that we've already got planned, and it's just going to allow us to sort of slingshot us and have, I think, a lot more impact when people visit the site and actually look at what we do. And some of the community members have already said that there's been a lot. It's a lot easier to actually understand what we do now. So as I said before, we wanted to try and bring that threshold down to be able to understand the project. A couple of years ago, it was quite challenging to really know what we do without having to dive into the white paper and really become sort of deeply into the project. But as you can see now, from just reading a couple of pages on the website, even from the first sort of paragraph, you should be able to grasp what we do pretty quickly. So that has really made our lives a lot easier in terms of our forward plans. So got a big foundation with a website here. But yeah, that's it from us. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we will see you on the development call. Cheers. Bye.